Introducing the HP Pavilion Gaming PC Desktop Computer, an incredible powerhouse packed with amazing features. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G processor, this quad-core beast runs at an impressive 3.60 GHz, delivering lightning-fast performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this processor can handle it all. Visuals come to life with the AMD Radeon RX 580, a dedicated video graphics card with 4 GB GDDR5 memory. Prepare to be blown away by stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. With 8 GB DDR4-2666 SDRAM, upgradable to 32 GB, and a massive 1 TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive, this PC offers ample memory and storage space for all your needs. Operating on Windows 10 Home, you'll enjoy a user-friendly interface and seamless compatibility with all your favorite applications. Connectivity is made easy with multiple ports, including a headphone, microphone combo, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2, front, 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C, front, 2 USB 2.0, rear, 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1, rear, HDMI, rear, 3 DisplayPort, rear, 10, 101,000 base T network, and an HP 3-in-1 media card reader. And to complete the package, it also comes with a sleek black wired keyboard featuring volume control, along with a wired optical mouse, both from HP. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international buyers may require an adapter or converter to ensure compatibility. Rest assured, this product has been professionally inspected and tested to work and look like new. It is part of Amazon Renewed, your go-to destination for pre-owned and refurbished products. Sold by Amazon qualified suppliers, these products come with the Amazon Renewed guarantee, offering you the option for replacement or refund if you're not satisfied. Discover the power and performance of the HP Pavilion Gaming PC Desktop Computer today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Get yours now.